Hi, in this video I'm going to talk about the Ontario Entrepreneur Stream. This program is designed to allow individuals to establish a new business or purchase and grow an existing business in the province of Ontario. To be eligible for the program, you must meet certain minimum requirements, including having at least 24 months of full-time business experience in the last 60 months. Have a minimum net worth and personal investment, which you can find more details on amounts to be provided on our website, as they do vary. Actively be involved in the day-to-day operations of the business. Provide job creation. Plan to physically live in Ontario for 75% of your time. And have a language benchmark of 4. If you're planning to purchase an existing business, you must also meet additional requirements such as making a business-related visit to Ontario, transferring complete ownership of the business to you or your business partner, and using at least 10% of your personal investment towards improving or expanding the business in Ontario. There are certain types of businesses that are ineligible for this program, including automated car washes, laundromats, payday loan businesses, and businesses involved in sexual-oriented services. If you're interested in applying to the Ontario Entrepreneur Stream, you'll need to register an expression of interest and, if invited, submit an online application. The application process involves 2 stages, including a mandatory interview and the establishment of your business. If you are successful in meeting all requirements, you may be eligible for nomination for permanent residency. And that concludes the Ontario Entrepreneur Stream.